és már akkor be is jelentem az első előadást. A Phase One és a Tripont Kft. Képviselői fognak előadást tartani a X-a mérőkameráról, és az előadónk pedig Bertrand Saint-Willem lesz.
Okay, thank you very much for your nice introduction. I'm sure it was nice, even if I don't understand Hungarian. Yes, my name is Bertrand. I'm working for the company Phase One, and we are here represented by the company Tripont here in Budapest. So for more information, feel free to contact my colleague Daniel from Tripont. Yes, so my background is more actually remote sensing. So I used to work for satellite image provider like Spotimage, RapidEye, and now I just started 1 month ago to work for Phase One, so aerial photography. So not the same resolution. Yes, so Phase One is a Danish company with a headquarters in Denmark, in Copenhagen. But we are very international. We have 260 employees with more than 20 nationalities represented. We have offices in New York, in Cologne, in Japan, in Tel Aviv. So, and we actually we are owner of the company Mamiya. So we booked Mamiya a few years ago, so we are able to produce all our objectives in Japan under the name Mamiya. And the core business of Phase One is actually a medium format camera for professional photographer, and we are the leader in this business, digital medium format cameras, and we decide to create a subdivision dedicated to aerial photography. So, but this is the core business of the company. So, real medium format camera with 100 megapixel, and with a medium format sensor with an incredible size of 11,000 pixels by 8,000. So, if you compare with LPS or full frame, so it's even bigger. And Tripont is a reseller here in Hungary for this camera, but also for the aerial photography product portfolio. And from this camera, it was so successful that we had many requests. Hey, is it possible to integrate this camera in plane for aerial photography? It is possible, but it's not the best because it's not a metric camera. Too many parts are moving, so you need a special camera dedicated for aerial photography, and this is what we did in 2012. We created the subdivision and we designed a new camera dedicated to aerial photography. This was the first model, so it looked very industrial, but it was so successful that we decided to continue and to develop full portfolios. This is, for example, the oldest one, the AXA, and now we are more in this direction. The left one is the newest, is the AXU. So from the oldest to the newest, it's more compact, as you can see, more stable, and the resolution, of course, increased. So now we are at 100 megapixel. So 2012, the first one. 2013, we produced an achromatic digital back for cartographic and mapping solution. 2014, we had a full range from 50 megapixel to 60, 80, and now we have the 100 megapixel camera. We decided also to create a new software dedicated to the acquisition of the image, and which is able to control simultaneously 6 cameras at the same time, integrated in a package. We have also a computer, which can be on board of the flight. So, and it's really important to understand that it's a metric camera, so everything is very stable, it's fixed, it's rigid, and the focus is blocked at infinity, and it will not move. I can show you the camera. It's here, so it's a compact block, and it's 1.4 kilos, this one. So normally it's like that, vertical, but you can also take images with an angle. So, and I will leave the camera in Budapest.
Igen, az elkövetkezendő 2 évben, aki jobban személyre szeretne menni a kamerát, illetve ezt a rendszert, annak lehetősége lesz. Kérem, hogy lépjen meg majd kapcsolatban.
So if you want to make some demo and to have a big, better overview, Daniel will show you in the next weeks the camera. So
RGI Digicam Lightmapper 4800 solution with a new Phase 1 IXU-RS 1000 camera, the 100 megapixel CMOS sensor with a new RS Reliant shutter. Even with the stabilised mount and the fast capture rate of 0.16 seconds per image of the IXU-RS 1000, the gyrocopter is a highly demanding aerial platform with its high vibration and demanding stability. The high performance of the Phase 1 aerial lenses, incorporating the new innovative RS electromagnetic central leaf shutter, provides enhanced capture rates with speed of zero latency, ensuring the precise image quality expected from a dedicated aerial camera that is to be used for precise geometric jobs. The new Reliant shutter from Phase 1 was designed exclusively for the tough demands of aerial photography, no matter the aerial platform.
So today we are moving from CCD sensor to CMOS sensor. So in the past we had 50 megapixel, 60, 80 only CCD, and now we are offering 50 or 100 with CMOS, which has some advantage in terms of ISO, in terms of sensitivity. So it's very interesting to work with CMOS, and we have also black and white achromatic sensor for mapping or cataster application. So what is very interesting is that with a better resolution, with a 100 megapixel, you can fly higher, and then you have a wider coverage on the ground for the same resolution. So decrease the cost of the flight mission. It's very interesting. We have yes, now the CMOS, as I told you, and we have an excellent dynamic range of 84 dB, and we can save an image every 0.6 seconds. So you can imagine how many images we can take in a flight mission. There is an overlap of I don't know 20 or 30% between each image. We are using exclusively Schneider lenses or Rodenstock, and that is what we can offer with the XU model, so from 55 millimeter to 240, and we have now a new shutter, electronic shutter called ARS, and we have a different range of lenses from ultra wide to 150 millimeter. So if you want to use the camera in a drone, I think you will probably use 40 or 50. But if you want to do some catastar mission, you will probably use 90, 110 to have less distortion and to have more vertical images. So this is a new RS. We guarantee 500,000 activation, so 500,000. So it's really it's a machine. It's a machine to make picture. That's the most important information here. And in the past, we need to use the FMC with the CCD sensor, but now with the CMOS, you don't need anymore the FMC. So that's how it works. We offer only the solution with the camera and the lens. We don't offer the FMS, but we are well aware about existing FMS on the market, so we can pre-install the FMS on our computer, the AX controller. This is some example of integration. So some integrator can use 4 cameras at the same time, which has the advantage to increase the coverage. Another integrator made an integration with 8 phase 1 camera with different angles. So the idea was to create a 3D model, surface model of the Earth with optical acquisition. Very, very nice project. So 60 kilo, interesting. And we have also now the possibility to acquire in infrared, which opens some interesting door for vegetation analysis and agriculture. Yes, that's the thing with FMC. So with FMC, without FMC, but it was valid for CCD. FMC doesn't work with CMOS, and actually you don't need because the speed is higher. So we have a table to calculate if we need FMC or not. And we recently start a new package with 2 cameras side by side. One is RGB and one is NIR, and the computer can automatically generate different combination. You can combine the NIR with red, so you can produce a SEER image, you can produce an NDVI index. So I think it's very, very important because users are actually in the agriculture are used with satellite images to work with 5 channel, or sometimes 6, 7 channel with SWIR, NIR, Red Edge. So, and now we can offer with NDVI and CIR image comparable products. So that's opened a lot of new doors, I would say. I have a small video, so RGB, NIR, and CIR. So it's much easier to interpret the vegetation information.
We integrate aerial survey equipment since more than 15 years. And about 10 years we already integrated phase 1 technology. We like this technology because it's very simple to install, it's straightforward, it's a robust reading mapping system. And the nice thing is that we can combine it with LiDAR, we can run it standalone, and especially this technology with 2 cameras, the near infrared and the RGB, really gives us the flexibility to do it on our own mapping system.
Speyer, where we join GGS and aerial surveys whilst they complete 4 different aerial surveys in one day. These projects range from the simple surveying of infrastructure and airports to a rather complex golf course management survey with a strong particular focus on quality of breeds. To do that, aerial surveys are using the new Phase 1 4-band solution. And today's setup is using two Phase 1 IXU-1000 cameras, each containing a 100 megapixel CMOS sensor. These are both controlled by the Electric Controller on board the aircraft. One of the IXU cameras is the standard RGB configuration, whilst the second has been configured with a lens focused specifically for the NIR use and has an NIR pass filter on it.
We just have finished the mission, and the first thing what we are doing is to download the data from the SSD cards, which we put out from the IX controller to the computer here. This kind of data is important for detecting the chlorophyll in the plants, and we have different applications. For example, the green health status of a golf course, the health status of forest, the situation of cropping the plants on agricultural fields, and many of these applications, as well as the urban green areas.
This new solution combines two of the Phase 1 metric visual active cameras with the CMOS sensors, and thus giving flexibility of use with their high sensitivity, very fast capture rates, and ultra high resolution.
So my last slide. So what is important? So it's a true metric camera. It's we offer the highest resolution which is today available, 100 megapixel. We offer CMOS sensor now with a higher ISO sensitivity. We have a new ARS shutter which is incredible fast. We guarantee 500,000 activation. We have an extremely quick speed of the shutter. We offer the NIR for agriculture and vegetation analysis. We have a very nice dynamic range, and we are working with the best lenses, Schneider and Rodenstock. So thank you very much.
Bocsánat, még egy perc. Úgy látom, hogy így nem nagyon lesz időnk mintaképeket mutatni, úgyhogy 2 pendrive-ot itt vagyunk mintaképekkel. Aki jobban érdekelt a dologban, az nyugodtan vigyen el egyet.